Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to n8n in minutes. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your n8n account by going to the official n8n website. Once you're in, click on Create Workflow at the top right. This will take you to your workspace. Now, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and select WhatsApp Business Cloud. Next, choose a trigger, such as On Message Received. This will make WhatsApp messages act as triggers for your automation. To connect your WhatsApp account, you'll need a WhatsApp business account. Click on the Credentials box and select Create New Credential. Here, you'll enter your client ID and client secret, which you can get from Meta's Business Manager. If you're unsure, click the documentation link provided in n8n for guidance on where to find these details. Once you've added the credentials, save them. Now your trigger is set. Add another node to decide what action you want to perform, such as send message. Enter the recipient's number, the message content, and execute the step. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp to n8n in minutes. That's it for this video. Thanks.